You are going to love the 2015 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.